Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 13 128GB. Now you can see this is a China version. You can see this condition. You can see the screw. Okay, a little bit of traces are used, and he has a little dent. You can see. Okay, this is the SD card slot. Okay, this edge you can see the camera. Okay, no scratches. The camera is okay. And let me show you the charging port. Okay, and let me show you the device information. Now you can see this is iPhone 13 and 128GB. You can see this has two SIM card. Okay, you can use two SIM card on one phone. You can see this is the SIM card, and let me show you. Okay, let me show you the battery information. Now you can see this is 81% the battery, and you can see the screen is okay. The screen no problem, and you can see the no scratches. This screen no scratches. Okay, no problem. Okay, only some dent. Only some dent and scratches. You can see a lot of different colors about the iPhone 13. Now let me show you the blue one. You can see this is a blue one, 128GB. Also, this is a China version, and you can see this one condition is better than the last one. Okay. And if you want to know the price, you can add my WhatsApp. I can send you the pictures and the prices. Different condition, different price, Okay, I'm in the wholesale market about the iPhone, and see you in the next video.